Hi, if you want to buy Ripple and you don't know how to do it fast and easy and safe without all those complicated wallets for cryptocurrencies, I found a new way, best that I've ever seen. I found a platform, it is IQ Option, that allows you to buy cryptocurrency in couple clicks. It's like simple, like 1, 2, 3. First step, you need to register on the IQ Option. So write down your email, create your own password, and press register and buy Ripple. Okay. You need to confirm your registration. Activation was successful. Great. The next step is to make deposit. I'm using my credit card, but you can choose your best way to make the payment. For example, I want $1,000 and go to payment. Okay, so you're on a platform right now, and there's a couple moments. Here you can choose your amount of money that you want to invest. I want to invest all of my money that I've got. And here's the interesting thing. If you using the cryptocurrency like investment tool, so this is going to be useful for you. This is auto closing, so you don't have to check it every day or every week. Your deal will close automatically if profit will be 75% or loss will be 75%. So you press buy and you see all those useful information, confirm buying. That's it. That's it. You have Ripple now in your wallet that created automatically right here. So it's simple, easy, and absolutely safe. There's a link under this video, and use this link and get your own private bonus on this platform. And I wish you good luck. I wish you big profits, and see you in the next videos.